Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software. And on today's video, installing EclUp11033, I'm going to show you how you can install the new small patch that will bring you up to version 11.0.3.3. And this EclUp does require admin authorization. On our website, you can go to Support, Downloads, Eclipse and EclUp, and there's a new file called EclUp 11.0.3.3. This update file will bring you up to the most recent version of Eclipse if you already installed version 11.0.3.2. If you haven't yet updated to version 11, just install EclipseSetup.exe. To install the EclUp file, click on it to download, choose to save the file, and then instead of opening the file directly, open the folder that it's contained in. Here we see the file in my Downloads folder. In order to run this file, I need to provide administrative authorization, so I'm going to choose right-click and Run as Admin. Once the extraction is complete, I can open up my Eclipse. And at the top of Eclipse, it now says 11.0.3.3. And if I go to Support About Eclipse, the version is updated there as well. So if you already had version 11.0.3.2, go ahead and install this small update. If you didn't already install the new patch, then you can go ahead and install the Eclipse update directly from the website instead. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.